Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about Tide Clean Boost. I was not part of the influencer program. This is just a review that I'm doing to basically give you guys an alternative to the video that we did with vinegar and baking soda to try to break down that buildup of that smell and residue that you get from doing laundry on towels, workout clothes, or for our sake here, for this example, my daughter left this comforter in her washing machine for a long time, forgot it was in there, and it smelled really musty and moldy, and we thought we actually had to just throw it away because it was disgusting. But we took Tide Clean Boost and basically we add this to our fabric softener location, which in this is in the middle spindle. Some people have a drawer, wherever your fabric softener goes. You add a capful, or for this case, multiple, because we thought it wasn't going to be recoverable. Put a couple in there, and it comes out smelling very clean. Now, it doesn't smell like vinegar, like some of the other solutions that we'll put a link in the description below for that video. We did a vinegar and baking soda one to really break down that buildup of that residue, that smells, those, basically all that stuff that gets really deep into the fibers of your comforters, your towels, your workout clothes, t-shirts, things like that. So adding this makes it not smell like vinegar, and it actually works extremely well. So for this, smells really clean, not vinegary, and not musty. So it breaks down those things. And this is a little expensive, I'm not going to lie to you. I think it's about $7 for this bottle. But if you're doing just some cap fills and things like that, not too bad. You can do multiple loads with it. So we use this. I'd highly recommend it. It's gentle on your skin. It doesn't have any real harshness to it. It's safe on all fabrics. So it's got that going for it. You do use it with your detergent. So it's not something you use alone. It does go in your fabric softener. You use detergent as well. That's it. Really subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Tell us if you've tried this and if it worked for you. And if you like it better than using the vinegar solution, you're not going to use this with every load. You're going to use it for those loads that you just really don't feel like are going to get clean with just detergent or with the vinegar solution that we did with the other video. And again, I don't smell the vinegar, but I really do like the smell of this. It's very clean, it's crisp, but it's not overpowering. So it's really kind of great. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel, thumbs up. Super thanks, always welcome. We'll see you next time.